Well, what up, nerds? So I tried to do something else and I couldn't do it, so this is my plan B for what I'm doing today. I'm gonna try and shine up the wagon. This thing has needed paint since I bought it, and now it has zero clear coat on the hood, on the roof of the car. I just took an SOS pad to it just now. Really messed up the paint, but you know, I don't really care about stuff like that. But I do want to see if I can get it to shine up any. The hood still has a lot of rust showing through, and there ain't really much I can do about it unless I really want to carve into it. So I'm going to try making the old school Vice Grip Garage Shine Juice recipe, except I'm going to make it different because I'm cheap. So they say it's boiled linseed oil, part mineral spirits, and then they put in some WD-40. And WD-40, if you're just going to spray it onto something, is super expensive. So I bought mineral oil instead, and I actually bought all this crap last year. I'm just getting around to it. And I'm going to mix it up in a spray bottle. That might be a bad idea, so I'm going to keep it over my burn barrel after I'm done, just to you know, see if it actually lights off or not. So anyway, it's really hot out. It's like 85 degrees, and I took a break earlier, so I'm just going to go back at it. You'll see the windshield of the wagon is filthy. Most of the car is still filthy from like the runoff from the soap, because I haven't given it a true spray down yet. But it's mostly just like the glass, like the paint and everything else I sprayed down. I just didn't do the glass because I didn't care. I'll get back to it. So anyway, let's get started on doing this. So yeah, some boiled linseed oil, some odorless mineral spirits, and then some mineral oil. Now this only goes down to 4 ounces, so I'm gonna guess, and I'm gonna not make a lot right away. Oh, great, I got it on my thumb. Ah, gross. So I'm gonna try and do about 2 ounces of this. That's as close to 2 ounces as I'm gonna get. And the mineral spirits, so I'm gonna put in 4 more ounces and get it up to the 6 ounce mark. It would have been smart to do this one first. I say a splash of WD-40, so I'm going to put in a splash of mineral oil, which is basically baby oil. Maybe half an ounce of that. Well, it's probably closer to an ounce, but I mean, we're experimenting, so it doesn't really matter. Like the first time I made barbecue sauce, it was awesome, and I've never been able to replicate it. I'm going to give this a little stirry stir, shaky shake, all that. Yep. You can see a lot of my scrapes that I put in this when I was digging into it with the SOS pad, so that's whatever. It's part of having a old car with beat up paint. This don't look too bad. I kind of like how dull it looks. Like it's a little, I mean, it's pretty shiny, but I guess you can kind of limit how much you're putting on. The way this looks, I might actually have to redo this because this looks way better than I expected it to. Let's see what it looks like after a while, you know, but I'm liking how this looks so far. I guess I'm going to do this part of the bumper, although I kind of want to spray this, but let's just do it and see what it looks like. Now this Down here where this is yellow, that's actually the color of the plastic showing through. Yeah, this is looking pretty good. Well, let's see if it stays looking pretty good. You can see in some places the direction that I applied it, so I'll try and go over some of that with this and just change the direction it's going in, I guess. I've never messed with anything like this, so this is new to me. Let me show you the roof. You can see, oh shit, there's already some on the rag, so. I guess a little bit goes a real long way, so I might have to wipe off some of the excess from the hood. I'm just wiping on what was on the rag already. Man, that's making a hell of a difference. I don't know how well this is showing up on the camera, but here the clear coat's really messed up. There's some left here, and then it's messed up again over here. That is a big fucking difference. This is fucking rad, dude. This is so rad. Sprayed some on the rag, so let's go across the bumper. This is just silly. I haven't sprayed anything on this rag since I had it on the bumper. This is insane. I didn't actually look back here, so I don't know what spots I got, what I missed. Yeah, it's just kind of. That was my drink. It scared the crap out of me. But you can use it on the stainless trim.